If I should meet my maker on some quiet afternoon, when clouds are blocking out the sun and nothing's quite in tune, I would ask my maker for some well-deserved respite, and even break another chance to catch some of the light. If I should meet my maker in the middle of the night, when sleep is hard to come by and the prospects none too bright, I would ask my maker why my life is such a wreck, why the cards that I've been dealt are from the bottom of the deck. And maybe, just maybe, I shouldn't blame my maker for mistakes that I could own. And maybe, just maybe, I should thank my maker for the chances I have blown. Oh, if I should meet my maker on the last day of my life, when my fate is balanced on the tip of fortune's knife, I would ask my maker to send the lamb, the dove, to comfort and remind me that I was always loved. To comfort and remind me that I